Here we are over in Halifax this afternoon, installing a Starlink for a customer. He didn't want it on the back of his house, so he wanted it over in this corner. 12 by 12 galvanised bracket, 2 foot aluminium mast, our own pole adapter supplied by us, the Cat 6 cable wired right along the top of the barge board, down along underneath the gutter, and down through an existing sky hole. Customer was running off a 4G dongle, getting next to no speeds. We've showed up, he's now getting over 200 meg all throughout his house. It's Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.